email's arrived. And now what do I do? How do I activate my order? After your organization subscribes to an Oracle Cloud application, you will receive an email to the person designated the initial contact. Now, this might be the person who negotiated with the Oracle sales or someone else that was designated at the time. If you receive this email, then you've been designated the activator of the order. The activator only kicks off the process and can select a different service administrator to manage the day-to-day administration of the various cloud services. Be sure to review the information about your service in this email, and you will have the option to add your service to a new or to an existing cloud account. Let's review the considerations you need to make to either select a new or existing cloud account. If you're a new customer to Oracle Cloud, then you'll need to select Create New Cloud Account. A cloud account is an account that every customer has if they want to use an Oracle Cloud service. Each cloud account houses the identity instances and the various software or platform as services or as subscription services. In other words, the SaaS and the PaaS services. So if you're an existing Oracle Cloud customer and already have an existing cloud account, then you'll need to consider whether or not to isolate the cloud services that you're getting now isolate them in a new cloud account, or add the new services to an existing cloud account. And this is something you'll want to review with your IT operations staff, your security or risk team. You could also ask your system integrator for guidance on how to proceed. So in your welcome email, you'll see details about your subscription, as well as that all-important customer service identification number that you'll need for working with Oracle support. If you are working as a first-time customer, then you will create new cloud account. You'll just click on that link in the email, and on the Activate My Services page under Account Details, you'll specify a cloud account name. And this name will become part of the typical login URL, and it won't be changeable once it has been assigned. So this must be unique. It must start with a lowercase letter, can have up to 25 lowercase letters and numbers, no spaces, no special characters. So for example, if your company is named ABC Corporation, you might have ABC Corp as your unique cloud account name, all perhaps in lowercase. You can see an example in the notes below this slide. Another best practice to consider is also making sure that you have at least 2 cloud account administrators, the primary one and at least one backup. By the way, if you don't plan to be the administrator of the new service, even though you were the one activating it, you can now designate someone else to take over that responsibility. For existing cloud accounts, there is an Activate this new service into an existing cloud account, in which case you'll follow several steps to enter your cloud account. You'll log in with your cloud account credentials. You'll manage the account. You'll specify what you need to activate. You'll follow the steps through this account setup, and you'll assign the cloud account. And then you'll have a chance to review on the summary page and then close out of this session. So after your order is successfully activated into the existing Oracle Cloud account, you will receive a notification to create your instances. And so your order has now been activated. Pat yourself on the back, but you're not finished yet. The next step is to provision your environment.